Hello again from the Quilt Doctor at the Quilt Shop of McLean, Virginia. It's July here and it's very, very warm. Our Washington, D.C. heat is flourishing around us, so please excuse the fan noise if you hear it. First, I'd like to show you a wonderful project that we've just completed, and it is the customer brought in 20 butterfly blocks that she wanted made, of course, into quilts, and two twin quilts, and then we have some extra leftover blocks for the pillows that we will be making next. And they're sweet, they're all hand done in just lovely old blocks. And here is the pink and lavender rendition of the butterfly quilt. So the customer chose a beautiful color combination, and here's the backing. She was happy to have us help her with her color schemes, and so she chose this for one, and then this combination of the blue and aqua blue and the green polka dot. So all we need to do now is complete the binding and they'll be ready to go. But you can see how sweet they are. Next, I'd like to show you something that we have done in the past. And for all those folks that come into the shop and say, I have a piece, but it's so broken and tattered, I don't think that you can do anything with it. But this was one of those pieces, and it almost took our breath away, because there it is. And they're little dogs, and it is completed, but you need to go on the website, the Quilt Doctor or the Quilt Shop of McLean website. But this is a before, and I mean, it's sensational what we were able to do, and the customer was so unbelievably happy. And this is the same for this one. Again, another baby quilt, and it as well is on the website, the after. But so please don't be timid about contacting us for befores that you love and that we can help you with. Our next project is going to be the pallets. I don't have them ready yet for distribution, but they soon will be. And what they are is this is a 6 patch, and it is everything has been done. The squares are open, and all you have to do is put your block in. The quilting is done, the batting is there, the backing, and the binding. So you open it, and your block, your special block, will be going right in this open space. You can do it by hand or machine. So those are coming soon. So we'll be letting you know and passing out that information when it's available. We have another love project that is unbelievable. This is what our client brought to us. And the story behind it, and Carla, maybe you remember meeting Carla before, and this is a blanket that belongs to this young man's fiance. And it was her great grandmother's, and so our mission was to incorporate it into a quilt that he's surprising her with at the wedding as a wedding gift. So as you can see, it's a little bit dreary. So it took some unique application. Carla has a design that we came up with, and here these are the wedding colors. They had to be navy with burnished orange and burnished pink. And there it is. Is that spectacular? Tell about it.
This material was terrible to work with. It was really slippery. I have interfacing on the back, and I used a walking foot, and it was still quite difficult. Also, to find pieces that didn't have holes was a challenge. But I found some areas that looked holy on the front but not so bad on the back, so I used them. And then for the center, I have a little piece of batting behind it to give it just the slightest puffy effect. When it's quilted, I think everything will hold together and last many years.
So isn't it, she's going to be so surprised and so tickled that it has gone from this to this. So thank you so much for enjoying and listening to our moment.